ለምሳሌ ይኸውልሽ ክላስ ይረፍድብሽ ነበር፣ ልክ በሰዓቱ መጣልሽ። በቃ ልክ በሰዓቱ መጣልሽ ስትይ እንዴት ነው የምትዩ? ነው ወይም ሰውየው ሊሞት ነበር፣ ልክ በቃ በሰዓቱ ደረሱለት። መሳተፍ ትችላላችሁ እናንተ።
It just came on time.
On time አይደለም፣ ትንሽ ታይም አግኝታችኋል። On the time አይደለም። Just in time አይደለም። No, nobody got it. On the spot አይደለም. Okay, let me give you more hint. Of time.
Okay.
Of time. Of time. Of time. In the nick of time. Do you know this expression? In the nick of time? In the nick of time.
Not really.
In the nick of time. In the nick of time. But just before it's too late, all right?
In the nick of time.
They saved his life in the nick of time. She's in BA random expression. For the record,
yeah.
For the record, no.
And then, እንደመያዝ ነገር
እስኪ አረፍተ ነገር ስሪበት። እስኪ አረፍተ ነገር ስሪበት እና አስረጅኝ በደንብ።
For the record, now I'm telling you what I'm feeling about my English. I'm not.
Okay, in particular, Masu.
Specifically,
ታይ ነው ቤ በግልጽ ቦታ በሚታይ ቦታ
obviously it's not clear, right?
No, በሚታይ ቦታ
hint thing. Give me a hint.
N blank site ካወቅሽ ኤክስፕሬሽኑን አሁን ይመጣልሻል። N blank site blank ለብቻ አንድ ቃል አስገቢልኝ። Where are my keys? Come on, man. It's in sight.
On. Isn't on site.
It's no. N አለ blank አለ site አለ blank ላይ አንድ ቃል አስገቢልኝ።
No search found.
No search found. No search found ብላችኋለች። No. Yes, somebody got it.
Brief?
In plain sight.
It's plain. Plain is like empty.
Yeah, empty. It's in plain sight. Like it's right in front of you. So again, I asked you these questions because they're fit for your level. If you have to learn expressions, you should learn these kind of advanced expressions. Like they're not that hard, but these are the words that you should know. So to speak, by no means, at the end of the day, on the contrary, like I have a lot of expressions here that are fit for your level. So